Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I braid my hair, and I have my braids, my comb, some wax, and some rubber bands that I'll be using to catching my hair. So yeah, here we go. I just take the comb and I part it into two sections. Then after I do that, I'm gonna get some of the hair wax. It has a white residue, but it doesn't dry white, so it dries clear. So I just get some of the wax and I put it on my hair, on my edges and around the hair. And I take my little toothbrush and I brush it in, and as you can see, it's disappearing as I'm brushing it. So I just smooth that into my hair and try to get it as neat as I possibly can. And then I will take a rubber band and put it over my hair. And I've completed one section. So I use the wax to smooth my hair, to stretch it out, to get it as long as I possibly can. And I did the same thing to the other section. And now I have my braids and I have it in two sections, and I put it in three. There you see two sections, and I put it into three sections. And I put it on top of my elastic band in my hair in the three sections, and then I include my hair in one of the three sections, and I just braid as I would normally braid hair. Into one of the three sections, and I just braid hair normally like you would braid hair, but I just put it underneath, and I try to hold it as firmly as I possibly can so that my hair isn't loose, because my hair is very short, so it's hard to catch. So that is why I braid it under, and I just continue to braid. And that is what I did throughout my entire head. And after I've done that, I just trimmed the edges, trimmed the excess hair, and I wrapped my hair into a bun. I only used one pack of expressions hair, and I cut it into 4, and that completed the entire braids in my head. I just used a big a big scrunchie to catch my hair in the top, because this is how I wear my hair every day. And I used some of the wax that I was using to catch my hair into the rubber bands to do my edges. And I just take my toothbrush and I get me some edges, because your hairstyle ain't complete if your edges ain't on fleek, girl. So yes, that's what I do. Guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I was thinking about doing Fulani braids, so just leave a comment down below or like my video if you are interested to see how I do Fulani cornrows in my hair, because I'm not sure if my hair is long enough to do that. It's gonna be a challenge, but I was just thinking about doing that. So like if you want to see that video next. Anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoy my little tutorial. Thank you. Bye.